The moment the plane breaks the sound barrier, compresses the air ahead, make the water vapor condense into small water droplets when the plane breaks the sound barrier, will enter a state of silence, quiet and stability. Although the drag coefficient has dropped a lot, there will still be an invisible shock wave in front of him. As the speed increases, the vertebral shock wave has a sharper angle. The resistance is building, especially these broad wings, seriously impede flight speed. So the genius inventor came up with a solution. Fold the wings as far back as possible, hide it in the cone shock wave. But this improvement has very little drag at supersonic speeds, but not enough lift for subfactor flight, much less mobility. So someone thought, after using the variable, it is slightly insufficient. It's a wonderful idea. How can the wings of the plane turn around like this? Not only is it easy to break, and more complex structures, increased aircraft weight, scientists who are not satisfied with delta wing aircraft, so they invented a protocol plane. But this asymmetric plane, can it really fly smoothly? Scientists first made a small model test in a wind tunnel. The results were surprisingly stable. As long as the wings on both sides generate the same vitality, I don't care if it's symmetrical, and the rotation of the protocol aircraft, all you need is one hub, compared to a symmetrical plane with two hubs. Simpler. The weight of the plane will be lighter. This protocol aircraft, in fact, Germany during World War II. It's just that the prototype has not been built. The Americans discovered a huge business opportunity, decided to pick it up and develop it. They called it a pocket knife. They wanted to build a supersonic airliner, a delta wing designed for supersonic flight, fly at low speed, very inefficient travel time. Neighboring countries are unwilling to open their airspace to such airliners. To solve this problem perfectly, just adjust the angle between the wings. Avoid disturbing people due to violence. The first supersonic protocol aircraft was born. Uploaded a somersault on the supersonic airliner project. He only uses 2 miniature jet engines. The 2 wings are a whole. To switch between supersonic and subsonic speeds. Cross-coupling of aircraft aerodynamic efficiency. It is easy to cause the plane to veer off course. To correct. Can achieve automatic control, but due to insufficient budget. However, due to the fact that this structure is effective in reducing wave resistance, it's still R&D, a good solution for a supersonic transport aircraft. People are always conservative. Radical design. It is difficult to break through the technical bottleneck. From the birth of the airplane to his ability to break the sound barrier. People thought the sound barrier was a wall. After much hardship, at 3 times the speed of sound, forced to stop again. The temperature of the machine head will rise to 350 degrees. The strength of the alloy is greatly weakened. Emergence of thermal expansion leads to the birth of aerodynamics. It's called aerothermodynamics. Human scientists have coated the surface of an airplane with compound and use high-temperature resistant titanium alloy and stainless steel, etc. After solving the problem of thermal expansion, humans suffered from black bloating again. When the aircraft has exceeded 5 times the speed of sound, it converts the kinetic energy of high-speed flight into a large amount of heat energy, gas in flight approaching the surface of the aircraft. It forms a plasma electromagnetic shield. Radio communication with the aircraft is disrupted. This blackout makes the missile uncontrollable. Basically, there is no possibility of changing the target of the attack. Our country's manned spacecraft will be ready in 2023.